We recently completed a design build project for California Baptist University. It was a student housing project, and this building was 4 stories, 163,000 square foot on a 5-acre site. There were 93 units in total with common areas, and each unit was unique in the sense that it would sleep up to 6 kids, and there was 3 bedrooms, so there was a total of 540 beds. The delivery method was design build. We were responsible for the design complete and coordinating with all the consultants and the architects, and as well as writing all the scope. We got the program from the owner, and we went with the design from there, as well as contracting all the subcontractors. Some of the biggest challenges that we had on this project was ultimately the speed that the client needed the project to be completed in. They had a challenge where they had a set end date for them to move the students into, which is just recently as of August 2nd. And we had a very short design time, so it was up to us to coordinate with all the consultants and get permitted through the design process and with the city in order for us to start with ample time to complete by the end date. So that was a challenge we had to overcome, and the delivery method of design build allowed us that speed and flexibility to meet that end date. Working with Architects Orange in this delivery method of design build was very positive. It also allowed us to do unique things in a very accelerated manner. Some of those items would be as far as if we have RFIs, we can guide the architect on constructability and approach it from a more technical means and methods to allow us to get responses that would benefit the project schedule and the owner's overall outcome of the building. Some of the benefits to the owner as Tilden-Coil being the design builder was that we were able to manage all the scope and the consultants and took all the risk and burden off the owner as far as them managing those. So for us, it allowed us to have the speed and pushing the design team to meet those goals because we knew when the schedule needed to start. So as us managing and holding the contracts with the consultants and the designers, we were able to guide them through the process to meet that date. Another benefit with working directly in the design build delivery method with Architects Orange was it allowed us to be more energetic and motivated as partners with them. Usually the owner would hire the architect and consultants directly, and we would be put in a position to work with them. In this case, we were allowed to choose our design firm, and it became more of a relationship that way. So we both had skin in the game to be successful together. An advantage for the owner to select us as the design builder is that there's less burden on the owner as far as administrative paperwork in choosing the design teams and negotiating the contracts as well as ad services. That would all be on us as the design builder, and we would carry that burden for the owner. So it allows them to focus more on their daily duties and let us do what we're best at.